She's my wife.
Oh, she's your wife. Okay. So yeah, very good evening. I don't know what's your name, so let's start with the introduction first.
Okay, ma'am. This is Satya Yadav from Aurangabad, Bihar. I am an English teacher. I have offline class in my district, and I am fond of watching movies and talking with different people.
That's great. Good to know
I
about
did
you.
get and right now. I'm pursuing master degree, ma'am.
Okay, you're also pursuing your master degree as well as you're teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're teaching English only or other subjects too?
No, only English.
Only English. Okay, to the kids or to like what age group?
Competitive students.
Oh, that's nice. So what is
Yes,
the basic problem do you usually get by the people who comes to you for learning English? What is the main problem of people? Why they can't speak English?
most of the students come to me to qualify the competitive exam, and some of them also come to me to improve their communication skills just like English. So the major issue of every students has lack of vocabularies.
Vocabulary, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so like they don't know much vocabulary. Same like me when my vocabulary is very poor.
No, I can't. Okay, I
Okay.
can't think about it
So do you
because
know
I have
do
watched
you
videos,
know
ma'am. What
sorry?
I have watched your most of the videos on YouTube, so I
Yeah,
think your fluency is so good, ma'am.
yeah, my fluency is good, no doubt. I am saying it, but my vocabulary is still poor. I use very basic words. I try to improve it. Let's see. So you know already about me. That's what my question is. Like, would do you need my introduction or we can go like this?
No, ma'am. Of course, I'm interested to know your introduction, ma'am.
Okay. So my name is Karishma Chauhan. I'm talking to you from Gurgaon. I'm an advocate by profession. Also, I'm a mother of two children. Apart from that, I have a YouTube channel by the name of Advocate Karishma Chauhan. You might know that, as you said. Yeah, that is all about me.
Okay, ma'am. So you are an advocate.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Then whatever case I will have, then I'll contact you, ma'am.
But I don't deal in criminal, civil, or other cases. I have a particular field of IPR. I only register trademark, copyright, and design registration. So if you will start any company, any business, or maybe your tuition center, you can just register your name with me. I can help you with that.
Of course, ma'am. We have to open a school coachings in many areas. So
Okay.
okay. So, ma'am, I want to know to you what is the most importance of English nowadays for you can say uh, for future coming students.
What is the most? I don't understand your question. Can you repeat again?
What is the importance of English nowadays?
Okay. So English is very important. Everyone knows, and that is the only reason people are just running after learning English. So you might seen there are many applications are available nowadays. Many online platforms are available where people are providing one-on-one session. People are learning English because now people know this generation knows that they can only reach success when they have good communication skill. If you have good communication skill, you can work anywhere. That is the main issue, because if you want to work in abroad, you communication must be good. How will you communicate like with the other people if you don't know English? It's a global language. In if you will move to another country, if you're going to abroad, you have to
Mm,
speak in this language only. So that is important, and people now, the young generation, they also know that this is the only thing which
mm,
we must have to focus on, communication. Sometimes what happen, people are good with their English but they don't know how to present themselves in front of somebody. That is also one of important skill which is required in professional field. For example,
mm,
if I will go for an interview, obviously I have to look presentable. I have to deliver my speech or answers in a way that it will uh, impress other people or the people who are taking interviews. So that is very
mm.
important skill nowadays. If you know English, you can communicate well. Surely you will get a job here and there, like anywhere you can get a normal job, even if you are sitting at home.
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I understood it.
Yes. So what are your hobbies apart from English? What do you do in your free time?
In free time, ma'am, I told you I'm fond of watching movies. I watch a lot of movies.
You watch what?
Movies. I'm fond
Movie.
of watching movies.
Watching movies. What kind of movies you would like to watch?
Mostly South movies.
South movies. Okay, so you must have watched that Pushpa 2, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. When it was released, I went to my cinema hall and I watched these movies.
Oh, that's great. Good to know that. But I am at this level, like I'm not able to get this time to watch movies. So I'm practicing with other people to improve or enhance my English nowadays. I don't get time to watch movies even now.
Okay.
So if you want to discuss any topic, we can go ahead with that. Or if you want to ask any further question, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am. For the beginners, I want to take suggestion from you. Uh, can you suggest me 30 days master plan to improve beginners students?
Okay, if I would have that master plan, I would have created video or already it was posted on my channel. So I really do
Okay.
not have any plan which can teach students English in just 30 days. Truly, I thought a lot about this. When I was seeing that people are creating videos on this topic, like 30 days master plan, this idea has came to my mind also. I was thinking like I should also create it. I took my pen and paper, I tried to create that plan, but I was not able to do it because there are so many things involved in that process, and the 30 days are not sufficient for me. So I need
Yeah.
minimum 60 days plan. I can create a plan for 60 days, but not for 30 days, because if you want to follow that 30 days plan with your regular chores, regular daily routine, you may not be able to achieve this level of fluency, honestly speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, if you are
Mm,
if you say that you are the person, I'm going to quit my job, I'm going to sit at my home for whole 30 days, then give me
mm,
plan, I want to learn English. Yes, you can do it. If you're dedicated, you're spending whole day just by learning English, you could do it in a month. But if you would ask me that I'm a person who's working 9 to 5, or I'm a housewife, I'm doing my household chores, taking care of my kids, and still I can learn English in 30 days. No, bro, it's not possible at all. I cannot give you that kind of plan.
okay.
Yes. So
Mhm.
time requires. It's not a short day process. It's not an overnight process that you get a plan and start learning English just within a 30 days. It's not practically possible.
Mhm. No, I have watched many videos and many teachers are telling that be fluent in 30 days and this like.
I have also seen those videos, but I personally do not really believe in them, because if somebody
Mm,
is doing that, following that plan with the daily routine, it's not possible to learn English in 30 days. It's not at all possible. I am learning English for more than 2 to 3 years now. I'm still not able to put
mm,
some good grammar in my conversation. I still make mistake. How can I think that
mm,
somebody will be fluent in just a month? He might be able to understand English within a month. He might be able to speak
mm,
broken English in a month, but he cannot be
mm.
fluent in 30 days. That's I can guarantee. If a person is beginner, he started learning English within 30 days, he cannot be fluent. I am not making any fake promises, and this is the only reason that I haven't created any such plan on my channel till now. I know that I can get good views if I will create something like that, but I don't want to go into that thing because I personally do not believe in that. So 60 days
Yes.
plan will be there. I'm trying to make a plan for 60 days. That is in the
Mm,
process. Will be coming. It will take a lot of time for me to create that plan, but
mm.
30 days is just a less time. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, of course. It's not possible.
Yeah. This is what how much time did you take to learn English?
Um, Mostly 1 hour daily.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 3 years, but I am comfortable in English grammar. I can teach very depth English grammar, but for a spoken purpose, I have started now.
As you said that you have a good command over the grammar, that is very important for teaching purpose. So that is you're doing great job. But yes, for speaking practice, speaking English, you must have to practice speaking at least like half an hour or 1 hour a day. You have to consistently practice for 2, 3, 4 months, and then only you will get the kind of fluency you want, right?
Yes, ma'am. Mhm.
You can see that, and yes, that's the reality. No one can be fluent in 30 days, as you already said that you took 2, 3 years to learn English.
Yes,
Three
of
years
course.
and 30 days. There's a huge, huge difference.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah. Anything else would you like to ask me? Because I have
No, ma'am.
nothing.
If you have any type of topics, then you can tell me.
What kind of topic I should discuss? So why are you thinking to start your YouTube channel? What is the motive?
Yeah, most of the students who those who come at my coaching, they say to me, "Sir, you should have a YouTube channel. We will watch the videos, and we want to also speak English." So I think it's beneficial for them and also for me if I will start it.
They will get free of cost because now they have to pay you for teaching. And if you will start your channel, they will get free classes, right?
Yeah, yeah, of
Hmm.
course, but it's also beneficial for me.
Hmm. Do you know how many challenges you have to face while you are on a YouTube channel? Do you have any idea about that?
No, I have not thought now.
You have not thought of till now. Okay, so I would like to tell you that being a YouTuber, it's not that easy. It's very difficult nowadays. So much of
Mhm.
competition is there. People, when you put so much of hard work in one video, and when people don't watch that video, you feel somewhere demotivated. You feel like, why
Mhm.
am I wasting my time on creating such videos? Instead, I should do something else. So these kinds of thought you will start facing when you will do that. But yes, sometime if you have that skill, if you have that aura that you can convince many people to watch your video, 100% it is going great. If you become famous on YouTube, if you get good audience on YouTube, good viewership, 100%
Mhm.
you are going to achieve success. Yeah, I feel that this is YouTube.
Mhm. No, I have sufficient students on in offline classes, so I think
Okay.
that.
But yeah, one more benefit is for you, especially for the teachers. It's quite beneficial that if you have that social media or YouTube, you can get new students every time through social media. And when they watch you, they know that what your style of teaching, and that is helping them to understand like what I'm going to get after registering myself in his course, right? For example, if I'm going to join any offline classes, I don't know how like he teaches, but when I'm joining a person whom I'm seeing on YouTube, I understand it. Okay, this is what I want. This kind of tutor
Mhm.
I want for myself. So people can choose you, students can come through social media. So that's a big advantage for the teachers, especially if they have a
Mhm.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's good. So where do you live now? You are in Bihar, you said.
Yes, I'm from Aurangabad district from Bihar.
Sorry, I've got a call in between. Yes, you are from Aurangabad.
Yes, ma'am.
And right now
Where are
you're in Bihar now, you said?
you? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you have that coaching or institute.
Yes, I have coaching in my district.
Okay. Are you living with your family there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So apart from English, you are also doing something else, like, or you are a full-time teacher?
No, I only teach. I
I-
don't have any work.
Okay. No, that's a teaching is really a nice profession. How do you feel when people call you sir, ma'am, and give so much of respect? How do you feel?
Yeah, in this sector, in this field, we get a lot of respects uh, by students, by parents. But sometimes we face financial problem. I Yeah, this is the main factor of teaching line.
Okay, okay. Most of the time people always gives you respect, though like you are even if they're not even taking tuitions from you, if they know that he is a teacher, people start respecting them. So that's a good thing about teaching profession, and I really like it.
Yes, ma'am.
teachers, doctors, they are always respectable, but not the lawyers.
No, it's not like that. Lawyer also
The
gives
bad word about lawyers.
get
After giving them money, they say blah blah blah.
yeah.
So today you're off or something like? Are you not taking classes today?
Yes, I will take from 5 o'clock.
Acha, from 5 o'clock. Okay. So evening batch will start around 5. Oh, that's great. I think now we should wind up this call and it's a
Okay.
lovely conversation with you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice to talk to you.